Welcome to G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science for Women, commonly referred to as GNITS. GNITS was founded in 1997 by late Sri G. Pullareddy under the G. Pullareddy Charities Trust, named in honor of his wife, Srimati G. Narayanamma. Sri G. Pullareddy, a visionary businessman, established GNITS with the aim of promoting technical education among women, empowering them to stand as equals in both professional and domestic spheres. Under the dynamic and vibrant leadership of the chairman, Sri G. Raghava Reddy, GNITS envisions to bring the best blend of resourcefulness and core competencies among its employees. Srimati Srividya Reddy Gunampalli, the Vice Chairperson of the college, has a pivotal role in the growth and success of the educational institutions managed by the Trust. With nearly 2 decades of active involvement, she has played a crucial role in steering these institutions towards excellence. Under the leadership of an eminent academician and able administrator, that is the principal, Dr. K. Ramesh Reddy, the college has made significant strides, reaching new heights of excellence. The mission of GNITS is to provide a transformative educational experience, equipping women with the knowledge, skills, and values necessary through various active clubs like Samskriti, Literaria Clava, Suswara, GDSC, Aptus Ghana, NSS, Street Cause, Abhaya, Arambh, Rotaract, and many more to excel in engineering. GNITS envisions itself as a center of excellence, fostering technical education, research, innovation, and leadership among women. Our commitment to student success is evident in our consistent record of excellent placements across core and emerging sectors. We are proud to see our alumni shaping the technological fields across the globe. Strategically located, GNITS campus offers a safe and supportive environment, especially for the women engineering students, giving peace of mind to parents and confidence to our learners.
The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering was established in 1997 with an intake of 60 students for undergraduate program and increased to 180 students in 2012. Postgraduate program of Digital Electronics and Communication Engineering was started in 2007 and current intake is 12. Both UG and PG courses are accredited by NBA. GNITS has been accredited by NAAC with a plus grade in 2024. ECE department is headed by Dr. K. Ragini Madam, an eminent and dynamic academician who has an extensive experience of 28 years in teaching. She received Women Achiever Award from Accenture, Academic Excellence Award from GNITS, conducted 34 faculty development programs.
I am Dr. K. Ragini, Head of the Department Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our vision is to be a leader in engineering education and research, contributing significantly to the technological advancements that shape our world. But more importantly, our mission is to equip our ECE students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to make a meaningful impact in whatever field they choose to pursue. Our ECE department has many remarkable achievements in academics, research, faculty development, student activities, and industry collaborations. Our recent placement highlights include highest package of Rs 24 lakhs per annum at Cisco and Rs 23 lakhs per annum at Silicon Labs. A significant number of ECE students qualified in the GATE exam, with the highest All India rank being 506, and many students achieved commendable scores in the GRE, with the highest score reaching 329 this year. In addition, our students actively participated in prestigious national level hackathons such as NASA Space Apps, Smart Silicon-thon 25, and other, earning numerous awards and cash prizes for their innovative solutions. Thank you.
Dr. B. Venkateshulu Sir, a distinguished professor in ECE and Dean for Alumni Relations and Higher Education, has a rich academic background with extensive experience of 34 years in teaching. Sir was honored with the Best Academician Award 2024 by the IEI Telangana State Centre in recognition of his exceptional contributions to both academia and the professional field of ECE. ECE department has 47 faculty with 5 professors, 2 associate professors, 30 assistant professors, and 10 non-teaching staff. Among them, 13 faculty are with doctorate degree and 17 faculty pursuing PhD in IITs, IIITs, NITs and other universities. ECE graduates has the scope to land a good job in multidisciplinary fields like VLSI design, mobile communications, artificial intelligence, robotics and many more. ECE graduates has the flexibility to opt for core jobs or IT or government jobs like BHEL, DRDO, ISRO, ECIL and many more. Core jobs for ECE are Intel, Cisco, Qualcomm, Micron, GE, Siemens and many more. ECE students of GNITS has the option to pursue minor degree along with major degree of ECE in 3rd and 4th years of BTech. ECE department received Best IETE Student Forum Trophy Award in 2022 and also in 2023. ECE department established MOU with key organizations like Pi Square Technologies, Garudalytics Private Limited, Maven Silicon Softtech Private Limited, SmartBridge Educational Services Private Limited, Watershed Support Services and Activities Network Vasan, Arkins and Private Limited, PNT Lab of IIT Tirupati Navvishkar iHub Foundation and Synopsys. Apart from their academic curriculum, students are encouraged to participate in research projects, hackathons, coding challenges, internships, startup incubations, workshops, project exhibitions, NPTEL courses, personality and skill development programs, campus recruitment training, and also in student technical chapters like IEEE, ISTE, and IETE. IETE organized industrial visits to Unistring Tech Solutions, NRSC, Anand Technologies, AAI Begumpet, ISRO, conducted workshop on drone technology and many more. ECE department organized FDP on image fusion techniques, IoT-driven antenna for satellite navigation systems, communication systems integrating AI and ML, designing layouts using CMOS circuits with Synopsys tools, pre-conference workshop on miracles with Verilog, orientation program on embedded systems and many more. Project proposals sanctioned to ECE faculty. Dr. C. Padmaja received AICTE Idea Labs grant as co-coordinator worth Rs 90 lakhs and DST Curie grant worth 1.1 crore rupees. Dr. B. Pavani received the fund of 16.34 lakhs rupees for technology development project and 4 lakhs rupees for PNT lab from ITNIF. Free Synopsys tools worth of 1.5 crores rupees and free embedded system tools worth of 40 lakhs rupees were sanctioned and many more. ECE students won remarkable awards in various events. ECE students won first prize for outfitting Mars habitat using 3D printing, national level challenge. ECE students won first prize of 17 lakhs in Aegon Life Insurance International Hackathon. N. Neha Reddy got startup offer for industrial waste monitoring system at WeHub. Tejaswini Gopai Reddy won $50 cash prize in IEEE conference at T-Hub. ECE students won first prize for Smart Silicothon 25 at KGRCET, third prize in national level hackathon at GRIET, fifth prize at Anveshana 2024, first prize in Code Infinity 24-hour hackathon at MRCET. ECE students participated in Climate Tank Accelerator Hackathon organized by SSCCA Seeds of Peace, for which they earned a stipend of 15,000 rupees for prototype development. Students won first prize in Corporate Codeathon organized by Forge Alumnus Services. ECE students were the finalists of Smart India Hackathon 2023, students secured special prize at Industrial Robotic Arm in the National Hackfest 23, conducted by Mistral Solutions. ECE students won first prize at NASA Space Apps National Level Hackathon 2024 and many more. Meghna Reddy won Young Engineer Award of the Year 2024-25 at GNITS. ECE department has 16 well-equipped labs for academics. ECE department has 11 classrooms with smart boards for interactive teaching, with a vision to uplift and augment the research spirit and innovations among faculty and students. The department has established 5 centers of excellence, namely, Center of Excellence for Antenna Radiation Pattern Analysis, Center of Excellence for Signal Processing and Machine Learning, Center of Excellence for Internet of Things, Center of Excellence for VLSI Design and JNTUH Research Center. ECE department is recognized as Research Center of JNTUH for offering PhD programs. Many real-time projects and prototypes were developed under R&D cell of ECE like Adaptive Pioneering Weather Shielding System, Third Eye, Smart Cane using Raspberry Pi, Density-Based Traffic Control System with Emergency Vehicle Clearance, Non-Invasive Silent Heart Attack Detector, Microstrip Patch Antennas, IoT-Based Noise Pollution Awareness System in collaboration with IIITH, Fingerprint-Based Authentication, IoT Surveillance Robot with Night Vision Camera, Pain Management for Bedridden Patient using Audio-Guided Robotic Arm, a Smart Security Companion for Women, Fuel and Tire Pressure Monitoring System, IoT-enabled Smart Campus with Air Quality, Weather and Noise Monitoring System, Automatic Medical Dispatcher with Dynamic Telemonitoring System in Rural Zones, Automated Harvesting for Tuber Crops and many more. Distinguished alumni of ECE are the esteemed representatives of academic excellence and professional achievements. Sanjana Singha, IS, Assistant Collector. Nambi Mridupani, Telecom Officer at National Center of Communications Security. Bizreddy Sweta, Assistant Enforcement Officer for Economic Laws. Bayadi Ramya, Scientist at ISRO. Nikhila Pucha, Director of GSS Prosper Springs Private Limited. Deepthi Vajpayee, Senior News Presenter. Our alumni, Bayadi Ramya and Sai Veena, scientists at ISRO, were part of the most prestigious project Chandrayaan-3 mission of ISRO. Their successes inspire current students and contribute to societal progress. Prominent placements include the highest package of 23 lakhs per annum, secured by M. Tanusha, placed in Silicon Labs from 2020 to 24 batch, and 24 lakhs per annum, secured by M. Chetna Reddy, placed in Cisco from 2021 to 25 batch. ECE students are well placed through campus recruitment in reputed IT and core companies like Accenture, Deloitte, Infosys, Micron, Silicon Labs, Cisco and many more. ECE students have successfully qualified in various competitive exams such as GATE, GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, demonstrating their academic excellence and global competency. Goparadi Shiva Tejaswini secured All India Rank 506 in GATE 2025.
Welcome to our modern hostel facilities. Spacious and comfortable rooms, designed for rest and focus. Quiet, well-lit study halls to support academic success. Nutritious meals served daily in a hygienic dining hall. Fully equipped gym to support a healthy lifestyle. Peaceful prayer hall for spiritual well-being and reflection. On-campus medical center, ready for emergencies and care.
We have 3 hostels that can be accommodated nearly 1200 students, and all the 3 hostels are equipped with modern amenities and well furnished, also with Wi-Fi facility. The GNITS hostels are within the close proximity to the GNITS campus, Both AC and non-AC rooms are with attached washrooms for added comfort. The security is utmost important of our students to us. The well-trained and experienced security personnel will monitor the hostel premises 24/7, also with CCTV surveillance measures.
Friendly and supportive hostel staff available round the clock. A home away from home, safe, clean, and student-friendly. At GNITS, students excel not only in academics but also in sports, with the institution boasting over 1,000 titles across various events. The college has held the JNTUH Girls Overall Championship for 12 consecutive years, reflecting its sporting excellence. GNITS has also hosted 11 national-level inter-engineering college tournaments, offering a vibrant stage for student athletes nationwide. The college fosters a balanced and holistic development of students by promoting both health-related and competition-oriented fitness programs. With professional coaching, a supportive environment, and state-of-the-art sports facilities, GNITS empowers students to reach their full potential both on the field and in the classroom. With numerous awards, medals, and substantial cash prizes earned by its athletes, GNITS proudly stands as one of the premier institutions for nurturing athletic excellence alongside academic brilliance.
Finally, B.Tech graduation in ECE at GNITS is one of the most promising options where students may choose multidisciplinary occupations to excel in their career. Therefore, it stands to reason that ECE graduates would always be in great demand. ECE at GNITS enables creative empowerment. Thank you.